its creation, and core values and principles of the nation. Let us read and repeat together the Preamble of Indian Constitution.
The Preamble of the Indian Constitution. Children, repeat after me. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Jai Hind.
Today, as we gather to commemorate Constitution Day, we pay homage to the visionary leaders who on this very day in 1949 adopted the Constitution of India. November 26th is not merely a date. It's a celebration of our shared commitment to democratic ideals, justice and equality. The Constitution, coming into effect on January 26th of 1950, holds a special place in the heart of every Indian. It's more than just a legal document. It's a social contract that binds us together as a diverse and vibrant nation. On Constitution Day, we reflect on the values enshrined in this living document and renew our pledge to uphold them. It's impossible to discuss the Constitution without acknowledging the contributions of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the principal architect. The Constituent Assembly adopted the Constitution on November 26, 1949, and its tireless efforts to create a document that would guide India towards justice and equality have left an indelible mark on the nation's history. At the heart of the Constitution are the fundamental rights it grants to every citizen. The right to equality, freedom of speech, and the right to life and liberty are not just legal provisions, they are the bedrock of our democracy. As we celebrate this day, let us remember that these rights empower us as citizens and ensure the protection of our dignity and freedom. The directive principles of state policy outlined in the Constitution provide a roadmap for the government to strive for social and economic justice. They underscore our collective commitment to eradicating poverty, promoting education, and ensuring the well-being of every citizen. As much as it is an opportunity to reflect on the progress we've made and the path that lies ahead, it's also a reminder of the Constitution's adaptability. With over 100 amendments, it has evolved to meet the changing needs of our society while staying true to its foundational principles. Each amendment is a testament to our commitment to making the Constitution a dynamic and responsive guiding force for our nation. In conclusion, the Constitution of India is not a relic of the past, but a living, breathing document that continues to shape the destiny of 1 billion people. As we celebrate its existence on 26th each year, let us recommit ourselves to upholding the values it cherishes. In doing so, we ensure that the spirit of democracy, justice, and equality endures for generations to come. Thank you.
Ambedkar. I am the father of our Indian Constitution. Thank you.
Rights and responsibilities. The fundamental rights and duties. Master Navan of class 11th is here to talk on our fundamental rights and duties.
Indian Constitution, which not only enshrines our right but also lays down the foundation of our responsibilities as citizens. The framers of our Constitution, in their wisdom, recognize the symbiotic relationship between rights and duties, emphasizing that the exercise of one must complement the fulfillment of the other. Our fundamental rights, the bedrock of individual liberties, empower us with the right to equality, right to freedom, right against exploitation, right to freedom of religion, cultural and educational rights, and also right to constitutional remedies. However, it is imperative to recognize that these rights come with an equal measure of responsibilities. Embedded within the Part 4A of the Constitution are the fundamental duties, a set of moral and civic obligations that serve as a reminder that citizenship is not just about entitlement, but also about contributing to the common good. As responsible citizens, it is our duty to uphold the unity and integrity of our nation, to promote harmony and to renounce practices disrespectful to the dignity of women. We must cherish and preserve our rich heritage while fostering a scientific temper and a spirit of inquiry. In doing so, we contribute to the progress of not just ourselves, but also the entire society. The preamble to our Constitution declares India to be sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic, promising justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity to all its citizens. Let us remember that the rights we enjoy are not isolated from the duties we owe. It is in the harmonious interplay of rights and duties that the true strength of our democracy lies. As we navigate the complexity of the modern world, let us strive to be responsible stewards of our democracy, ensuring that the flame of liberty is not just preserved, but also used to illuminate the path of progress for every citizen. Thank you.
In celebrating Constitution Day, let us not only remember the document that shapes our nation, but also embrace the responsibility it entrusts with us with. Thank you.